And just to let you know, make sure to pay attention, because that could have caught fire very easily, and it could have burnt my skin. Don't be an idiot like me. Hey guys, it's Will from Not an Expert again. Welcome back. In this video, what we're going to do is a wood burning tutorial. So I'm hoping that you guys learned something from this, and you can use it for holiday gift ideas or projects in the future for decorating your home, things like that. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So what we're going to do first is, I bought this piece of wood from Michael's. It's about $15, the arts and crafts store. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do, we gotta take this out, and this is one of the more simple wood burning tools that you can use. I mean, it looks just like a pen. This one specifically is walnut hollow, and I got this from Michael's as well, and I believe it was like $45. And it came with the entire kit here with a bunch of different ends. The tip that I like to use for all my wood burning, whenever I'm making like some kind of portrait or art, is this tip right here. It's like a little blade. Maybe that works better. It's a blade. It's a little darker because I've used it so much. It's heated up and cooled down. But it's still decently sharp. Anyway, it gives you a lot of room to make cuts into the wood. I probably should learn to use other tools, but the only other one that I've really used is this one here, right there. But and then you're gonna go ahead and plug in the tool. So now this is the switch to turn on the heat of the wood burning tool there. The camera's not focusing very well, but all you do is turn the dial, and depending on how much you want to burn or how quickly you want it to start the detailing, you would turn it up. I like just cranking it up and using it that way. Now it's going to take a little bit to heat up, but not too long. We're going to let it heat up here, and pretty soon it's going to be hot enough to start the design. But while it's heating up, what I like to do is start a little bit of a trace with a pencil. Okay, so I found a design that I kind of want to go with, and this was on Pinterest again. Awesome. So actually, let me pull up the Pinterest page so I can see who shared it at least. Oops. There's another one that's sort of like it. Oh, it looks like a bunch of people. This might be someone's artwork, and I'm sorry if I can't credit who this is. Okay, so now I have this. The tool is very hot now, and when you're using it, be careful not to touch even up in this area. So they have this little rubber grip. It's even pretty warm. Remember, I turned it all the way up, as hot as it could go. So to give you an idea, I'm gonna flip it on the back here, just to, like, I'll sign my initials or whatever. See how quickly it's just like a almost like a pen now. Just gonna kind of do that. It comes up really quick. I didn't have to cut anything. So once you get it this hot, you want to be very careful where you're putting lines, because it's way more permanent than a pencil is. So if I'm doing something more intricate, like what I did with the Mandalorian wood burning, and I carved that out with the Dremel, but I used a pencil before anything. But I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to keep it centered, and then after it, I might actually have Emily do something that says like, I don't know, something like a cute saying, or, you know, with the cricket that she has. And she can use vinyl to stick on here because the wood's so smooth. She can take some of her vinyl and place it on, and we could put some wording up above and under it. So I'm going to try to get it as centered as possible. And so I'm going to start out here. didn't turn out too bad, right? I'm missing a tree. And the line work could be better, but that was something I did in about a half hour. There it is. There's the design. Thank you again to Pinterest. I couldn't find the guy who made the artwork, which happens a lot on the internet, but always make sure not to sell something if you're not sure where the art came from. If you're going to give it as a gift, that's fine. But, you know, if you're doing a YouTube video, make sure to give credit. I couldn't, but it was posted on Ursus Vesper on Tumblr. I think that's the username. But anyway, that's how to do a quick wood burning in like less than a half hour. If you have the wood and you can get the tool. Safety first. Make sure not to touch your clothing. That would have been a really bad burn had I not been wearing this hoodie. Good thing this is a cheap hoodie, because whatever. But yeah, just be careful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned something from this. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment below. Make sure to like the video and keep on sharing it, especially to those you might think would be interested in wood burning. But I hope you guys enjoy the content. Make sure to subscribe so you can see future videos like this, and let me know if this was helpful to you. So, alright guys, we'll see you next week. Later.